Hey, what is going on, guys? So today I have a quick review for a pretty cool device. Somebody commented on one of my videos, asked me how I do my comparison videos holding phones. Well, this is the contraption that I use here. It's a dual mount phone holder, but you can also, if you have like a GoPro or action cam and you want two of them on here, you can go ahead and pop these on here as well. Now, another thing that's pretty cool with this too is not only can you hold this with one hand, two phones, but it's also a mini tripod here too. So what I can do is I can open these like legs up just like this, and now I can go ahead and pop this just like this. And now it is a tripod. Take a look at that. Again, I'll go ahead and pick this up, and if I wanted to go ahead and close it, to use one hand, I just grab this, put it back like that, and then this right here is like a little buttons here on the side. I just hold these two buttons down, and then this will go up, and then I can go ahead and hold it just like this. Now you can put big phones in here too. Even the iPhone Plus will fit. This is an iPhone 6S Plus. You can see the size of it, and I can just pull this out just like that. And you can see, let me just pull these out here. Let me pull this other phone off here, but you can see it has like these springs here. You just put your phone into here, and you can see the other mounts that are attached to here too. If I go ahead and loosen this up, I can go ahead and move this part like up and down. And same thing with this. If I loosen this up, this will go up and down. And of course, I can go ahead and move this up or down. You can see, just press these buttons and you can hear a click, and it's locked from right there. Another cool thing you can do too is you don't have to use this actual hand holder, this tripod. You can connect this to another tripod. For instance, like here's a tripod here. And this right here has one of those universal 1/4 inch screws. So they'll basically fit like any tripod as well. So let me just go ahead and screw this top part here. And then this comes off just like that. And now you have this top part here. Grab like any tripod. I'll just use this one here. Let me go ahead and unscrew this phone adapter here. And now what I can do is simply go ahead and pop this whole thing on here. Just like that. I can pop this on here. And now you can go ahead and put your action cam or GoPro, or you can even do one phone and one GoPro or action cam on here as well. Let me just go ahead and put these phones back on here. Now the only thing is with the iPhone Plus, or this is a 6S Plus, these are bigger phones than the standard phone size. It's a little bit difficult to get in there, so you got to kind of have to stretch it out a little bit extra and just pop that sucker in just like that. And now you can put it on a regular tripod as well. Let me go ahead and tighten this one up. So there you go. And like I said, this will fit on any other tripod as well, because all the screws is like a 1/4 inch screw. It's all like universal. So anyways, thought I'd just make a quick review on this cool little dual mount holder device. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.